2 amazing natural skincare you must try. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. Most people, especially women, want a healthy and fresh skin, so they try different skincare products just to make their skin lovely, smooth and fresh. There are also a lot of different natural ways they try to have this kind of healthy skin. But if you are looking for a cost-less and natural ways of making your skin healthy, white and fresh, why don't you try the natural method by just using egg white and lime? Did you know that the egg white and lime can help you to have a fresh looking and healthy skin such as your face, and remove the dark part of your skin or body like elbows and knees? Let's discuss those benefits these two can bring. First is the egg white. If you have a problem with white and blackheads such as in your nose and face, just separate the egg white from the egg yolk and put it in a clean container or small plate. Apply the egg white in your face and nose every morning where there are white and blackheads. Face to the morning sun and let it dry for at least an hour. The sun ray in the morning gives vitamins and help the egg white to penetrate and eliminate the white and blackheads in your face. Rinse your face with water to wash the dry egg white. Do this every morning and you will notice the best results. Your face will be free from white and blackheads that results to a smooth face skin. You can also use egg white in other parts of your body or skin. Just do the same process and you will see the result of having a smooth and healthy skin. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. Use lime to whiten your elbow and knees. Lime has many benefits can give your skin, especially to your elbows and knees. If you have a dark elbows and knees, just get some limes and divide or slice it into 2 using a knife. Squeeze the lime while rubbing it into your elbows and knees. Do it every day and you will see that your dark elbows and knees will be whitened. You can also use this with your dark underarm, but make sure to use it carefully as it may irritate your skin underarm. Just repeat the process daily and your dark underarms will be whitened as well. By using these two for natural skincare in your home, you will achieve a smooth, healthy and good-looking skin. So, try it out now. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out tips on how to have a balanced and healthy life. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.